How to access Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS Quick Guide. Want to use Google's new Gemini 3.1 Flash text-to-speech model that gives you director-level control over AI voice. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to access it in 3 different ways, so you can start generating expressive AI audio instantly. Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS was released in April 2026, and it is wildly good. Unlike older text-to-speech tools, this model lets you control exactly how the AI speaks using over 200 audio tags. You can tell it to whisper, speed up, add emotion, change pacing, and more. Method 1. Google AI Studio free access, no API key needed. Step 1. Go to studio.google.com in your browser. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account. If you do not have one, create a free Google account. Step 3. Once logged in, look for the model selector drop-down at the top of the page. Step 4. Click on the drop-down and search for Gemini 3.1 Flash or Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS. Step 5. Select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS from the list. This is the text-to-speech version. Step 6. You now see the TTS playground with a text input area. Type or paste your script. Step 7. Instead of just plain text, add audio tags to control the delivery. For example, type "speak this" with emotion, type "excited," or add paste tags to speed up sections. Step 8. Click Generate or Run. Google generates audio instantly and plays it in your browser. Step 9. You can download the generated audio file or adjust your tags and regenerate until it sounds perfect. Method 2. Gemini API for developers requires API key. Step 1. Go to ai.google.dev/Gemini-API. Step 2. Click Get API Key to create a free API key for the Gemini API. Step 3. Copy your API key and keep it secure. Step 4. Use the API in your code by specifying the model name Gemini-3.1-Flash-TTS-Preview. Step 5. Make API calls with your text prompt and audio tags. The API returns audio file data. Step 6. Save the audio output to your application or service. This method works for integrating Gemini TTS into your own applications and tools. Method 3. Vertex AI for enterprises. Step 1. Go to console.cloud.google.com. Step 2. Create or select a Google Cloud project. Step 3. Enable the Vertex AI API for your project. Step 4. Go to the Vertex AI section and find the text-to-speech model. Step 5. Select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS from the available models. Step 6. Use Vertex AI Playground to test the model or integrate it into your enterprise applications. This method is for organizations that need enterprise-grade security and support. Method 4. Google Vids for workspace users. Step 1. Open Google Vids from your Google Workspace. Step 2. Create a new video or edit an existing one. Step 3. Look for the AI voiceover or text-to-speech option. Step 4. Select Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS as your voice model. Step 5. Type your script and choose from 30 conversational voices across 24 languages. Step 6. Customize the delivery using built-in controls. This method is built directly into Google Vids so workspace users get TTS without leaving the app. Key features to know. Audio tags let you control emotion, pace, and style using text commands. Multi-speaker support means you can create conversations between 2 or more characters automatically. SynthID watermarking is embedded in all audio to identify it as AI-generated. Supports over 70 languages plus regional accents. No cost for AI Studio testing. API pricing is pay-as-you-go based on audio characters generated. Pro tip. The fastest way to test Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS right now is Google AI Studio. You do not need an API key, you do not need to code, and you get instant results. Go to studio.google.com, select the model, and start generating. Use the audio tag system instead of plain text to get natural, expressive results. The difference between no tags and proper tags is night and day. So to recap, use Google AI Studio for free instant testing. Use the Gemini API if you are a developer building applications. Use Vertex AI if you are an enterprise. And use Google Vids if you are a workspace user. If this video helped you access Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you are going to create with it. See you in the next one.